All right, guys, how you doing? Ron's a Nut here with you. Another opening some packs. Was able to pick up 16 packs of DC versus Marvel comics cards, and they arrived today. I do like the set. I like the mix of having the DC guys, all my favorite, comic book heroes, and uh, together. And I think half of this set is a bunch of the heroes, and then there's the verses, which is, um, DC versus Marvel guys going at each other. So I like them. I opened four of the packs because one of the things that I found when I've opened them before is that um, they stick. Now, I opened some of these packs and they weren't stuck together, but they still had damage. So you can see some damage there. This stack right here, I kind of separated, has some damage. Maybe not so much on that one. Yeah, down here, some 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 loss, I guess, between the gloss must have stuck at one time right here. Um, and it sucks because there's not many Supermans and Batmans, at least in the packs that I've opened. I've never had a whole box, so I've only ever bought packs, and so I don't always get the good luck of the draw. And this Superman here has got damage. Look at this is a versus here. Spider Woman and Blue Beetle's got some damage. Wolverine or Dark Claw. Here's a good Joker and Spider Man, but there is some right here. So I guess just be weary if you do find these and you're buying them online. I got a good deal on these, so I was willing. Again, they were just. I enjoy opening them, so I'll show you some of the ones that I got that were good. So here's a Wolverine, nice one. This was clean. Actually, this was one of the top of the pack, so that was good. Yeah, and I don't think there is some loss here. See back here. I was hoping to find a bunch of good ones that I might want to send out to be graded at some time. Thor versus Wonder Woman, Lizard, Enchantress and Circe. This is a nice one. This one looks nice. Venom and Lobo. That's sharp. And that one came out good all the way around. Actually, I like Venom and Lobo. Let's put a sleeve on this guy. I don't know if these are worth much. I actually haven't looked to buy any separately, so I don't know. I just enjoy opening them and pulling good ones out of the pack. Kadabra, Wolverine, and Lobo. Okay, so that's we had Lobo's fire. All right, that one came out good. Well, we got Wolverine in this one. Let's sleeve this guy up. All right, what else we got here? The Ray and Nova, Green Lantern, Spider Boy. That Spider Boy came out good. Yeah, pretty cool. No, and notice the stamp on there is a little bit different. Oh, it's because this is a amalgam preview sneak peek 404. So that's a chase insert set. Here's a storm. That storm looks good. So this stack here that I separated from those four packs, these cards, there was, I guess, two of the packs didn't have really any issues. Penguin. Remember, I think of the old Batman series when I was a kid. Catwoman versus Elektra. Riddler and Daredevil. Dark Seed. Deathstroke and Punisher. Nice Quicksilver and the Flash going at it. Captain Marvel versus Marvel. Don't know what that's about. Spider-Man versus Juggernaut. So that one, Superman versus Juggernaut. So Superman, yeah, let's get him sleeved up. Dark Claw, Silver Surfer, and Green Lantern. Blue Beetle and Spider Woman. Azrael. Killer Croc versus the Hulk. Kingpin and Lex Luthor. A couple of baldies going at it. Now this Batman, I don't know if you can see it, but this Batman is a little messed up right here. So I don't know that you can see it so much, but there is some that's been taken off there, and that sucks because there's unless you buy whatever the Batman sets were that were out there. I don't really have any of those. In this set, Batman is far and few between. Is that right? So let's see how we do on this pack. All right, we got Warrior and War Machine. So these cards seem so far so good. Robin and Jubilee. Killer Croc. Thor versus Wonder Woman. Can you see these okay? I think a little blurry there. All right. Silver Surfer, beautiful. Nice. Norrin Rad. This is yours. I'm sure you got a million times better than this, but I think of you now whenever I see Silver Surfer. Definitely one of my favorites when I was a kid. And I do like him now, but not a collector of him yet. Oh, good. Joker versus Spider-Man. So here's a nice clean version. This pile had a shitty one, so that's good. Oh, yay. All right, got a clean Batman. I'm going to have to get more sleeves. Captain Marvel versus Captain Marvel in this one. Captain Marvel versus Thor and Cersei. Let me go get some. All right. All right. All right, cool. So let's see if we continue to have good luck. Get some of these in the shop. Oh, not green. We got Aquaman. Cool. Looking good, Aquaman. Looks like another pack that's nice and smooth. Nothing sticking. Azrael and Sabretooth. Liking my Sabretooth. Oh, cool. Superman versus Hulk. This is the number one, I think. Yep, number one card. So let's give him a little love. I'm sure I probably have a version of him already. All right, we got Bane. Oh, and this is an insert, I believe. Yes, this is an impact card. All right. Again, I forget. I have a set of this, and I've been opening other packs as I can get them. I don't probably build another one. I don't know if I have the inserts. I think I do. I think I do have a complete set of all the chase cards and inserts. We got some more Storm, Green Goblin, the Joker, Thanos, and we have a checklist card. Nice. And Darkseid versus Thanos. So it's almost 3/4 of a box, right? If there was 36 packs and I had half a box, I guess, a little less, 16. All right, Steel and Iron Man. Aquaman and Namor. That's also one of there's a version of this in the inserts. Yeah, man, the Joker now. See, this card's messed up. Can I tell? It's Namor up at the top, but this Joker's messed up. Hawkeye and Green Arrow, they look all right. Here's another one of the Impact cards. Rogue. Oh, Spider-Boy again. Lobo. What's he doing? War Machine. Robin and Jubilee. And Killer Croc. Alright, so some duplicates, but that's a chance to take. And we got a messed up Joker. Alright. Darkseid versus Thanos. A different Spider-Boy. Cool. It's nice when you can feel the cards just sliding around. No sticking. Speaking of, here we go. Riddler and Daredevil, we saw the duplicates Catwoman and Elektra, Penguin, Dark Claw, seen a few of these. Oh, nice Kingpin. All right. This guy's got somebody here. Ah, Thor. The mighty Thor. Looks okay. Black Adam. And Mandarin, Green Lantern, and the Ray Nova. All right, we got here Man Bat and Lizard. Okay, Man Bat never heard of. Lizard I do. Superman Juggernaut. All right, we got one of him. And down here it looks like a little flaw on the bottom because they were stuck together. Yep, going in the bad pile. Captain Marvel already had one of these. Deathstroke and Punisher kind of stuck. Well, all right, well, this is an impact card. And that's messed up too. But to keep them from getting even more messed up, alrighty, Spider-Boy, yet another version of him. I don't think so. We got a stick. It's okay. Jigsaw and Deathstroke. Abomination. He's pretty cool looking dudes. Oh, and there's a back. These are stuck. Nope. Two-Face and Jigsaw. Green Lantern and Green Goblin. And then Aquaman again. And this is another chase card here. Here's a hero from the Hero Chases. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, some more Darkseid. Ghost Rider and Demon. Bottom of the card is chewed up. Jubilee. It looks alright. Cool. She's on a hero card. Absorbing Man in Steel. Galacticus, again, the bottom of these cards losing. I've lost, or, yeah, they lost some. Now this one's just fine. Spider-Boy again. Green Lantern, Green Goblin. Aquaman, Azrael and Sabretooth. Superman and Hulk, that looks good. And Bane. So yeah, there's a couple in here that I'll need to weed out. Depends on what I'm going to do with them. Okay. That Man Bat and Lizard again. Superman, Juggernaut. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of duplicates in these here. Deathstroke, Punisher. Oh, cool. There's a different impact card. Thor. I don't think I've gotten a duplicate yet of the impacts. And there's not one in every pack, so I don't know what the odds are. I'd have to look that up. Seems to be a Dark Claw in every pack. And that guy I've seen before. Oh, good. Another Superman and Hulk. Those are always good. A Bane and Archangel and Hawkman. Cap America. All right, Cap. I do like you. All right. Starting a new stack here. Electro and Black Lightning. A little bit of sticky going on here. All right. Storm. Green Goblin the Joker, but he's chewed up on that side. And Storm here got chewed up, so that's no good. Thanos is chewed up over there. I have an Impact that's chewed up, but I've already got them. We just saw. Dark Claw. There's a Juggernaut that we're going to go with that side. Nope, this Mole Man and Penguin screwed up. Killer Croc and Abomination. The Flash. First one I've seen of this guy. And he's stuck. And then Iron Man and Steel. Well, for now, we got to put him in the pit pile. So one good one out of that. So, oh, the top of the pack. That looks like he's a goner. So that pack wasn't good. Maybe one. All right. Let's see. We have Two-Face and Jigsaw. Green Lantern, Green Goblin, Aquaman. We've had a few of them, and he's got chipping up there. All right, another duplicate. This card's a little bit messed, but he's an impact card as well. So we're gonna have to keep them separated. Spider Boy we've seen. He's in good shape. Catwoman and Electro we've seen in good shape. Penguin, it's okay. Electro and Black Lightning is missing. It's speckled over there. The Storm looks okay. Green Goblin and the Joker. It looks all right. All right, let's see. Nice Wolverine. Top of the pack. Everything okay with them? Yep. All right. A Scarecrow and Scarecrow. That's in okay shape. Catwoman. Catwoman is stuck too. Night Wing and Gambit. And yep, he got messed up. Wolverine impact card. Is it stuck? No, it's not. Cool. All right. Spider Boy. I've seen a few of him. Bullseye. All right. Kingpin, Lex Luthor again. All right. Killer Croc. Hulk with Killer Croc in a headlock. Azrael by himself. He looks all right. And Blue Beetle versus Spider-Woman. Not bad. Last 2 packs. There we go. We got Black Adam. No damage to him. Is he stuck to anybody? Yep. Oh, sticky. Black Widow and Black Canary. Elektra by herself. She does have some messiness on the back. Doctor Doom, Captain Marvel. Was that Arcade or Cypher? And this is, oh, Julie Bell is the artist on this. I forgot to read that. I'm going to have to go back. This is great. Yeah, these are Teen Titans. Okay. All right, we got a Dark Claw again. It's messed up. We got a Galactus. That looks okay. Man, Bat, and Lizard. Superman, Juggernaut. Look all right. Cat Marvel. And Destro Punisher. Not bad. And let's see what we get out of the last pack. All right. Green Goblin Joker. Thanos. It's good. Checklist is good. Dark Seed. Oh, nice one here. Here we have a Hollow FX. And this is in good shape. Yep. I don't remember seeing any other Hollow FXs in there. I'll have to look. Got a good Dark Claw. Oh, excellent. Nice. Look at that Sabretooth. Look at that. That looks awesome. I'll have to add him to my Sabretooth collection. Probably have seen this before, but let's see. We got Bullseye and Darkshot. Kingpin. The Fabulous Thor. And Black Adam versus Mandarin. All right, so let's see what I picked out of here. We got Sabretooth, a Hollow FX, 7 of 12. This is one of the impact cards. Another impact card, Wolverine. This is what? 18 of 18. 17 of 18. Impact, 13 of 18. We got a hero card, Captain America. Another impact card, 1 of 18. Gambit, 10 of 18. Rogue, 16 of 18. J.K. Vendor, 9 of 18. Number 1 card. And I like the Batman. I like me Silver Surfer, Superman, Wolverine, and Venom and Lobo. So that's it, guys. I'll got the bad stack here. So maybe a third of the cards that I got were messed up. So just be aware when you're buying these older cards, these Marvel versus DC, I believe it was 1995. So that's it. I hope you liked these cards. I enjoy them. I love the colors pop. The artists are great. I forgot to even point that out and look at who's on there, but there's some great artists in this set. Is Boris. Here's just just looking at the back of the impact cards, people that or artists on as Boris Vallejo. He's done Marvel masterpieces. I know Julie Bell. We all know Julie Bell, Boris, Julie. Who did this one? Simon Eric and Joe Casada. Wolverine was Mark Sasso. Yeah, so there's a lot of awesome artists on here. Pencil Stuart Immonen and inks Jose Martin. CGI electric crayon. All right. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you liked it. Please enjoy your collecting. Have fun, as always, and have a great day. If you like this and want to see more of these, please like and favorite my YouTube channel. And you'll probably see more of these in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.